And in a royal bombshell, King Charles has stripped his brother, Prince Andrew, of all royal titles, honours and privileges, a move unseen in modern monarchy. The disgraced Duke of York loses not just his titles but his Windsor residence too, amid renewed outrage over his ties to Jeffrey Epstein. The king's crackdown that has come days after he was heckled by protesters demanding accountability. Getting you all the details in this report.
In an unprecedented royal crackdown, King Charles III has stripped his brother Prince Andrew of all royal titles, honours and privileges. The once Duke of York now reduced to simply Andrew Mountbatten, Windsor. The decision follows mounting public pressure and renewed outrage over Andrew's association with Jeffrey Epstein, a scandal that has shadowed the royal family for years. Prince Andrew's reputation was tainted after Virginia Gifford accused him of sexual abuse when she was 17. The case was settled for an undisclosed amount. Prince Andrew claimed he had no recollection of ever meeting Gifford. In a statement, Buckingham Palace said Prince Andrew was stripped of all remaining royal titles, honours and privileges and was ordered to vacate his Windsor residence. His lavish Royal Lodge residence near Windsor Castle will also be taken back. A formal notice has been served for him to surrender the lease and relocate to private accommodation. The move comes days after the king was heckled during a public event, confronted by a protester demanding answers over Andrew Epstein's connection. Protesters questioned King Charles III on how long he knew about Andrew's Epstein links and demanded to know if he had asked police to cover up for Andrew.
How long have you known about Andrew and Epstein? Have you asked the police to cover up for Andrew? Have you asked the police to cover up for Andrew?
In a fight to preserve moral ground, King Charles' move sends a clear message. No one, not even royalty, stands above accountability. Bureau Report, India Today.